Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new project, which is gonna be a car for my mom. We purchased that vehicle roughly March of 2020, so December of 2021 right now, and we purchased it for a really good deal. It's $2,500, and from auction I think it came out $3,250. Yeah. Before we go deeper into that, you can see the truck is behind me, right? The reason the truck's sitting over here is because I was painting Jetta. The paint was too fresh, preparing and painting Jetta. And now I was ready to go to frame rack and something came up. Not actually something came up. I'm ready to go frame rack, but frame rack is busy, and my buddy gonna let me know when the frame rack is gonna be available so I can finish work with the frame, so I can bolt the bed back on. But the news, it's not about it. The truck is actually sold. I have a customer, not the customer, it's already a new owner for it. After I paint it, he came in, check it out, he likes it, everything is squared up. Now I need to fix the frame, and also there's a big news coming up about this truck, but you guys have to stay tuned for that episode. BMW is still waiting on the airbag. It's still somewhere in Russia, actually in Belarus. I don't know how long it's gonna take. eBay saying it should be here by January 11th. Now let's go to the mom's car, let's go over it, and let me show you what needs to be done. There you go, guys. It's a 2019 Chevy Trucks, 10,000 miles. It's been sitting here since we bought it, parked it here, and put a tarp over it. Oh man, look at that windshield. So the damage is not there. Basically what happened, somebody caught the what is it called, deer. There's still lots of hair, see over there, here. So no frame damage, no anything structural damage. Hood, the fender, because they open up the hood, so they damage the fender. Same thing on this side. Oh. Yeah, this tarp is gone. It's garbage now. Oh well, I guess it's time to fix the vehicle. There we go. Oh wow, you can see over there, there's a slight damage. Dent repair will fix that. So this is it. This damage is basically because they open up the hood, and other than that, it's not too bad at all. Let's look inside. So upper core support, radiators, headlights, what else? That's it. And the good part about it, everything actually bolts on, bolts off. I think the battery is dead. Not that I think, I can see the battery is hooked up. That means the battery is 100% dead. So let's get the battery, jumper cables, let's start it and get in the garage and start disassembling. Okay, I got the battery with the cables hooked up. Now what I remember, since the damage got here, you see this intake, and the pipe over there is broken. So this vehicle will start, but it won't run for a while before it will shut itself down because of the airflow. Let's see. Man, wow. Let's get in the garage then. I'll show you more. I just wanna get out of this weather. The key is here. Let's see. Ouch, ouch, ouch. No, how I turn them off. Let's see. Ouch, what the heck? Stop. 1, 2, 3, will it start? No? Why? Oh man, probably something got disconnected as usual. So what's not working? Tight enough? Hopefully. Let's try this one more time. Why? Okay, I'll figure it out. I think this battery is dead, so I had to get the Acra in here. Let's see if I'll have luck this time. Nope. What the heck? What do you want? He's in here. I had these shoes like that with the Lexus before. Let's see. Oh, wow. We need to disconnect it. We need to disconnect from it. See what I was talking about? It's dead now. Hopefully this battery is not actually dead and it's something with the vehicle. Okay guys, what we got over here, see, I disconnect that so the vehicle could work. Now everything needs to be disconnected and get into the garage because this Chevy is without the water. So we're gonna move super quick. Let's get the Acura out of the way and get that thing in there. Let's go. Let's test drive this thing. Oh, man. Okay. Put in G. But I can't see anything. Will you go? Oh. We're driving. We are driving. Now I need to get in the garage. Okay, I got this Chevy in the garage, and you might have a question why I put it in this bay instead of this. The easy answer to that is because I have a parts car. That parts car gonna go here. This one gonna be disassembled over here. Well, let's go over everything what needs to be done. Obviously, whole front end needs to be disassembled. Glass needs to be cut out. All this needs to be disassembled. Battery needs to be pulled out and put on a charge. By the time we'll be done with the vehicle, the battery should be charged. Then inside we have long two seat belts. This seat belt, that seat belt, two roof airbags. Nothing super critical on the headliner, but am I gonna have to massage it to make it work. And also driver wheel airbag and passenger knee airbag also. So 1, 2, 3, 4 airbags, 2 seat belts, and probably module. Not sure about the module because Volkswagen I actually cleared out from my scanner and it's not coming back, so which is good. Let's see inside here. Oh, we got money, guys. We got money. We're living. We can get another project. Look. Woo -hoo -hoo -hoo. 50, 60, 70 cents. Wow. Plus free tape measure, 25 footer. There we go. Note. I can make a notes what needs to be done with this vehicle. There you go. Good. Let's see what's over here. I actually never went through this vehicle. We unloaded. Father brought it in, we unloaded, and we never went through actually because we had no time. You can clearly see mice got in. Shit. Pardon my language, but that's bad. Yep. Oh man, that's bad. That's really bad. Hey, look what I got. Can make something really cool with this. Wow, everything is here. So I'm assuming this works. That's good. Let's leave it in there. And then I'm gonna have to get it out because I need to replace the airbags. Oh, so this is how it looks. I mean, the vehicle have 10,000 miles. close to 10,000 something. What we have over here, a bunch of pans. We put this, the glass one cut dash, book, mice got in there, water got in here, was running and on it. Hopefully this seat is not destroyed. This is the leather seat. You guys remember what happened to my Subaru, the WRX seat belt. Was no passenger. Why the heck Chevys start doing this? Every time vehicle getting in crash, Chevy's both seat belts getting locked up. Doesn't matter if you had a passenger or not. 70 cents, guys, 70 cents. Let me show you. I am collecting coins from all the vehicles, and so far what I got. See? So let's throw that there and continue collecting. Maybe after 20 years I will have enough for my dream vehicle. That's the vehicle I'm gonna be working on. And first thing what I need to do is cut out the glass. Probably disassemble the cowl, cut out the glass, and move on to the front end. Jack this vehicle up, put it in a stance, get the wheels out, fender liners. I don't know how this vehicle disassembles, so I'm gonna have to figure it out while you guys watching. Oh wow. Alright, the windshield is taken care of. Now let's get this hood off so I can freely work without worry this hood drop or something, and then we can start working on this top section over here, getting everything apart, see what needs to be done. Of course, bumper needs to be pulled out, but we'll get to that later after I'll get the top off and see if I can get I should be able to get all the radiators out and all that. So let's take care of a hood situation and continue on a disassembly. That's exactly why I like GM cars. I mean, everything is just bolt on. Look, whole core support. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 2. That's it. The whole core support, whole upper core support. So awesome. No welding needs to be done. Nothing. Only part you're gonna have to weld if the bottom is damaged. Other than that, it's pretty nice. So I'm done here completely. There's a few things that I'm gonna have to disassemble, but right now I'm gonna leave it like it is. I should probably put something in here, like a piece of towel, or actually let's grab this like this, put it in there, just to be safe. A thermostat needs to be replaced. There's another thing broken. I don't know. We'll find out where it goes. And that's it. The whole bottom is actually good. There's nothing damaged. Intercooler not damaged. None of the tabs are damaged or anything. It's just the core support fenders. It's gonna be super easy to rebuild. I mean, that's what we've been looking for. Easy to build, but hey, kinda costly. That's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode over here. Hey, tons of work being done. We got the car here. Disassemble whole front end. Next episode, gonna finish disassemble whole front end completely and gonna start disassembling the other front end. Man, this thing should be done in a week probably. We'll see. But today is December 18th, 15 minutes before 6. And this should be ready by December 25th. Tomorrow I have a daddy duty watching Kira, so that's a Sunday. Monday I'm working in construction more than half a day. Tuesday I'm out of town. Wednesday I have a day, and Thursday probably gonna have a day. I don't know. We'll see how everything gonna go. Hopefully I'm gonna make it on the 25th morning. We'll see. Thank you for stopping by. If you want to see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. I'll catch you next one.